Are you ready to build wealth and secure your future? Investing in real estate is one of the best ways to achieve this. But where should you invest in Washington State? The key to success is choosing the right location. This requires research into future developments, property taxes, and rental rates. Knowing these factors can significantly impact your investment's profitability. Here are 3 crucial benefits to consider when investing in Washington real estate. Firstly, strategic locations with planned developments boost property desirability. Secondly, understanding property taxes helps maximize your investment returns. Lastly, high average rents in areas like Renton and Tacoma ensure steady cash flow. What makes our approach stand out? We focus on market trends and location analyses that guide you in making informed decisions tailored to your investment goals. Start your real estate journey today. Contact us for a quick quote and expert guidance. Your future in Washington real estate starts now.